Hi, I'm Fred George, and today Eduardo Camillier and Sidney Rodriguez and I are going to take you flying in Legacy 500. Up front in the cockpit, there are 4 large Rockwell Collins Proline Fusion displays arranged in a T pattern. Synthetic vision is standard. In late 2015, the Collins HGS 3500 head-up guidance system and enhanced vision will become options. This is the first midsize business jet to have fly-by-wire flight controls, a feature that both eases pilot workload and smooths the ride for passengers. Captain Camillier has been with the Legacy since its first flight, and today we're flying that very same airplane. It's still chock full of bulky test equipment, so its basic operating weight is a hefty 24,640 pounds. 3 passengers in gear add 822 pounds, and we're carrying 10,580 in fuel. Ramp weight is 36,042, close to a fully loaded production aircraft. We'll use full rated thrust for takeoff and flap 7 degrees. Takeoff decision speed is 114. We'll rotate at 122, and takeoff safety speed is 129. Takeoff field length is 4921. Cleared for takeoff on San Jose's runway 15. It's a warm day. Acceleration is moderate because of the high density altitude. Pitch response is crisp but well damped. The flight path stability function in normal mode allows you to set aircraft attitude with a stick and then just let go. We'll climb northeast from San Jose into the Javanti 1 and 2 flight test areas for cruise checks and maneuvers.
While the aircraft would climb to 450, we descended down to flight level 430 to get a better cruise performance check. And now at max cruise, the airplane is doing 80 Mach. It's about -6 icing conditions and at a weight of about 34,000 pounds. The aircraft is cruising at 451 knots. Birdie.
Let's go down to 20,000 feet and explore some of the fly-by-wire system's flight envelope protection features, starting with overspeed protection.
High speed. There's high-speed cruise.
Yeah.
And I just put the nose down a little bit here.
Speed.
Okay. There it is.
High
and it
speed.
automatically picks the nose back up to prevent the aircraft from exceeding red line.
High speed.
And finally, low-speed protection.
So we're at 18,000 feet, and now we're getting into the white band. And the nose wants to go down to correct that for low-speed protection.
Low speed.
But we're going to hold up the
Low
nose
speed.
with flaps up as far as we can.
Low speed.
And now the stick's all the way
Low
aft.
speed.
The aircraft's
Low
down here
speed.
at
Low speed.
nibbling at
Low
the
speed.
red band at
Low
111.
speed.
We'll just go
speed.
ahead and turn it
Low speed.
back at 30 degrees or
speed.
something like that.
Low
With
speed.
the side stick all
Low
the way
speed.
aft.
Low
Now we'll
speed.
turn it the other direction.
Low speed.
And look at the rudder
Low speed.
coordination
Low speed.
when you do that.
Okay, let's go back to San Jose dos Campos for pattern work.
I'll give you a flaps 1, okay?
Fly-by-wire eliminates virtually any pitch transient with configuration change.
If you're okay, I'm going to start reducing speed with the gear.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
And shall we go to gear down and then flaps 2 when able? And let's go to the reciprocal for right now.
Correct. So
And we'll go to 140. So now we're on left base for runway 15.
100, okay?
An arm approach.
Yep. And turn you left
That's a good idea.
for the ILS. And I'll give you flaps 3.
Flaps 3.
Flaps 3 or greater with gear down causes the fly-by-wire control system to change from the flight path stability mode to speed stability.
And we're going to be capturing from above. And let's see, we can probably slow below 140, can't we?
And we can start reducing speed to VAP.
Pressing the TCS button on top of the side stick resets the stable trim speed. So the aircraft has natural pitch up if you speed up and pitch down if you slow down from that point.
50. 30.
This will be a touch and go.
Okay, 2 please.
Okay. Flaps 2.
Check the trim.
Trim is good enough, so we're clear to go.
Let's go.
Our final landing will be in direct mode, so we won't have the carefree handling benefits of normal mode. We'll also have to use the manual stab pitch trim switch in the center console to neutralize pitch controlled force.
So once we stabilize here on the downwind leg, we can go to direct mode.
Yeah.
Okay. Excellent.
And I have to remember that TCS doesn't work, and I'm going to be using this.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right. Let me just get slowed down a touch here. Okay.
Okay. Direct mode. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Here we go. Okay. The warning message. Everything yellow. And now you're flying at direct mode.
All right. Okay, let's go to flaps 2.
Okay, flaps 2.
And we'll slow
Torre,
to
poderia confirmar se há algum
140.
tráfego essencial para o 41 nesse tráfego? Será
This landing will be at full flaps, but in direct mode, we'll add 10 knots to VREF because we don't have the stall protection features provided by the normal mode.
And let's bug it down to 123, I guess.
Yep, 123.
123.
And whatever you want, the flaps full.
Flaps full, please.
Okay, flaps full coming down. Gear down, flaps full. Okay,
Gear down,
Fred?
flaps full, sir. 3 in the green.
In direct mode, the aircraft still has docile handling characteristics. In fact, it actually reminds me of a naturally stable jet with conventional flight controls.
100,
A little gust.
Yeah, a little bit of turbulence.
Yeah.
50, 30.
Here's what we learned. Legacy 500 redefines expectations for mid-sized business aircraft. It has the cabin comfort of a $25 million super mid-sized jet. It cruises along at 0.8 Mach jetliner speeds, and it has 3,000 nautical mile range. And it's the only aircraft under $50 million to have fly-by-wire flight controls. That's an impressive package for $20 million.